Hello everyone, Gav Moves again here, and today, just before hitting my 100 subscriber, um, after showing this making of this electric dude, I have already two comments that wanted to understand how this VFXs work here, and here it is. I wanted to come to you with this short one and to show you how I've made this VFXs. By the way, this was like 3 years ago. I have made like 3 years ago almost, and this one was kind of experimental. And here is the artwork that I've get from ArtStation. Okay, so let's get started, huh? Okay, so here basically I have used two sequences. You can see here a lot of ones, but I have used only these two sequences. Here I will show you here and this one. Okay, let's make them. So you can see that at that time I didn't know how to make how to properly export the sequences. This one has a lot of zeros from After Effects. These two ones that I have get from ArtFX library. Let's get back here. So after that, there is not much to explain, or there were not a big magic there, kind of. Here, this one that we have this sequence here, I've put in on his chest, and these small VFXs, small charges that I've put between in these lines, kind of mesh them. I've meshed them and put them here. There were not much going on with the bones, so you can see here there are not much binding. They are just parented to this one, because I didn't this wasn't like a project, this wasn't like work. It was for fun, and I just wanted to make some idle animations for this one, and that's it. There is not much to show you. If you have any other questions, please go forward for it. I would like to go with, you can see here the rigging, and I was just opened this file, and I have a big laugh seeing this rig, this face rig. You can see it. I didn't bother too much. It was like 3 hours maybe all in all, the editing in Photoshop, and put animated here. So that's it. This one was the short one, kinda. I hope you get everything you need from here. Like you can see, I've meshed this one. Let me show you anyway. Okay, so I get this one, get some mesh, edit it. I basically make some 2-3, depends on the complexity that I want to edit it. And okay, so going here, and for making it fast, just down a little bit, and that's it. So maybe let's edit mesh and put one more here. I don't know. That's it. After it, let's go and delete this one. Make it sequence from 0 to 13 maybe. 0 0 2 0 0. So you can see here, when I go over, it has this X1, so this is 11, and that's it. Here you can put some blending mode here, but it's not good for the development part, but it's visually good. But in development it may give some problems, give some draws up, get some draws up. That's it. And by the way, if you have some questions and some problems, please comment it, and I would love to make another video on that problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like if you like this one, and I hope I will come up with a new one soon. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
It's time to rev up the hype train, dear viewer. Your childhood memories are getting a reboot.
Nostalgia.